history in the making. Here it is. Tesla, after I modified the whole thing, 42 volts, 0.1 amp, producing power to the grid. My God. Finally. So apparently those last winds that were at 28 plus miles an hour were pretty substantial and stayed on long enough to actually get the inverter on. So now I believe it's probably in its standby mode since it's not moving anything. The digits aren't moving, but so it got up to a 44 volts, 0.1 amp, 45 volts. So as soon as it goes to the 50 plus, you know, I believe that's when it actually produces power. So 47, the winds are kicking, there's 44 volts. So it's getting there. Like I said, smaller generator, less torque, definitely spin faster. You know, it definitely produce more voltage. So I may try out the vertical blades at 47. See, it's going pretty good. Winds are kicking today, so it's slowed down quite a bit now. So the inverter's definitely in the standby mode, but it's showing the voltage that it's producing even at a hand spin like that. A hand speed spin right there, 42 volts. So that's about it. 0.1 amp. Pathetic, isn't it? All that money wasted on putting up a wind turbine. Ha! Solar is definitely the way to go. But everybody enjoys these things. That's why I have one. 42 volts. See if the winds kick up a little bit here. My bees are in here feeding right now. I got some frames I'm redoing. These guys are all scavenging what they can from the frames. A whole bunch of them down there. There's a bunch of honey in the different frames in there. These guys are all scavenging it out. The wind's pretty much dying out. I don't feel, well, put it this way, ground level, there's nothing. It's a little breeze. Oh, it's pretty constant though. I might have to go to the 40-foot marker to bring it up just that much more. But I'd like to definitely see it work at 30 because it's got clear open space around it. So, slowing down. 44 volts. I'd like to see it actually, oh, go down there. 1.5 amps, 0.4 to the grid, 44 volts, 1.4 amps. It's all over 56 volts, 68 volts, 74 volts. So it's spinning out there right now. Oh. 0 watts. There we go. Like watching paint dry. Exciting stuff. Absolutely no kilowatts today. Not even close. So this is my sketchy part. This thing is powered up. I may have to put a ground in there for it to feed that also. I ran the 2 lines through there and I know they're touching. Anybody with experience with these, let me know. I might have to put the ground over to the jumper into that little ground underneath because it didn't show anything in the diagram about the grounds. So I guess I'll have to have a ground in there for it to show the resistance to how much is going in there. All right, we'll end that there. Just a quick video on the winds and the speeds. So larger diameter, blades on the outside maybe. Get the thing really whipping around, pick up more speed. But I need a smaller generator, without a doubt. 4K generators, tough to spin. Too much torque. Cogging effect is huge in that 4K generator.